In this tutorial in DaVinci Resolve, we'd like to show you how you can produce or render your project. If you're new to Resolve, this is a tutorial that will show you how to do that. So I have on the screen a nice little clip of a family playing volleyball, kicking the ball around, and the title. And let's assume I'm ready to produce it. How do I do that? The first thing I need to do is go to the very bottom on the last page on the right side, which is called my Deliver page. It's the icon of the rocket ship. I'm going to click on that. And now I see that I have three major panels. On the left, I have all the export information I'm going to use. In the middle, I have my preview of my timeline. And on the right, I have a render queue. Let's look a little bit at the left side. At the left side, at the very top, we give the production that we're making a name. It starts out with untitled. I'll just call this test 1. And then we need a location. I can browse anywhere I want to in my hard drive system to find out where I want to go with this particular project, and then I can put it in that file. We'll just leave it in the root directory for now. So now I have a directory and I have a file name. We're going to render it as a single clip. We're going to render it as video. We're not going to deal with all the options. That'll be for a more advanced tutorial. Looking at the format, I'm going to use, instead of QuickTime, I'm going to use my simple MP4. And the codec is the H.264. I want the resolution in this case to be 1920 by 1080. You can change it here if you want to. We'll leave all the other settings to normal. We have advanced settings and subtitle settings. That's for another tutorial. But these are the basic things you need to remember that you need to set for this particular video. So when I'm ready, I click on the button at the lower left corner, which is Add to Render Queue. When I do that, if I look on the upper right, I'm going to see that's added to my render queue. I can edit if I want to. I can remove it and start all over again. I'm simply going to click on Render All, and it will proceed to render this short clip, and I have it moving through as the rendering is being done. I get a progress report on the right, and it will tell me when it's done, and it is now rendered. So I'm done rendering the video. So that's the simple process of making this happen without a lot of modifications for first-time users of DaVinci Resolve.